Step into the 2018 Ford EcoSport. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, heated seats, power moonroof, turn signal indicator mirrors, blind spot sensor, remote keyless entry, and power windows. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Come on in and take a test drive.